In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to access advanced features. Then tap on one-handed mode and click on this switcher at the top to activate it. Finally, click on one of those options to decide which one you want to use to reduce display size with gesture or button. After you decided, read all of those instructions under the chosen method and follow them. In my case, double tap the home button. So when I do that, one-handed mode is on. To resize it, hold one of its top corners and drag it. Then let go. To change placement of it, click on this icon on the left or on the right, or hold this line at the top and drag your screen. If you want to go back to the standard one, click on this blurry area. To disable one-handed mode completely, click on the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!